how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here update, then click check for updates, and now make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that go to graphics settings, and then click browse. You need to find Riot Games folder, your Riot Games folder location, and then Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64. Now just right click on it and click properties, compatibility mode, and here click enable those two options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run as an administrator. Apply and OK, and then click add. Now just click here options and select high performance and save it. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, power saving, and save it, and that's it. Just try and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.